Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another wig review for Klaiyi hair. I'm just showing you what they sent over in the package, and we will be applying this wig straight out of the package. So I'm just unboxing it, showing you guys up close of what it looks like. This is a V-part wig. This is the Yaki straight texture. You get an adjustable strap, you get a clip in the back, you get actually 2 clips on the side, a clip in the back, and then you get this drawstring, which is really good because it helps it so that it can fit your head. So you just pull it, and it has this little extra little piece that makes it so that it's not going anywhere after you adjust it to your head. And then you get little clips all around the V part, so they got you covered. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by putting the clips around my V-part section. I already have it sectioned out, so I have a little bit of my hair out in the middle, but I also have my edges out. So if you want to do like a updo style, you can leave your edges out, but you don't have to leave the edges out. You can just leave a middle part out. It just depends, but I did want to leave my edges out so I can show you guys what it looks like in a half up, half down style, or updo style, which we'll do later. So I'm just gonna start by sectioning my hair off, and then I'm gonna flat iron my real hair, my edges, and that middle part. Okay, now that all of my hair is flat ironed, I'm just brushing through to see, you know, how it blends, and it blends very nicely. I haven't even flat ironed the other hair, and it already blends really well. But just to make sure it's customized to my head, I'm gonna go ahead and clip my hair up and do the drawstring. So I'm pulling it as tight as I want it to be. I was just showing you guys how far I could pull, but I didn't pull it that tight. So yeah, then that little piece that I was pointing to, I'm going to pull that up and then make sure that it is nice and in place, and tuck it underneath my hair. So now it's not going to go anywhere. If I tug on it, this thing is not moving. It is nice and secure. So this hair is already straight, so I'm just going to run my flat iron through it just to, you know, get rid of any bumps or anything. But I do love the way that my hair blends in with this Yaki texture. Now that the hair is all straightened, I am going to move my real hair out the way and then kind of cut layers starting down from where my hair ends so that it can have like a seamless blend. Okay, this is what it looks like after I cut my little layers. As y'all can see, it just like kind of goes down where my real hair and the wig goes, so it kind of, you know, gives it like a natural look. There's no real line of demarcation. And I'm just showing you guys up close of what that little V part section looks like. As you can see, it just looks really natural right there in the middle. Nothing is poking out. Even on my the sides, my hairline and everything, is just a effortless natural blend. That's why I kind of like having my hair out on the sides. But yeah, and I'm showing you that you can even do like a little flip over method if you want to. Yes, it's really up to you. You can have as little leave out as you want, or if you want to have more, you can have more. So that's what it looks like when it's flat iron. Now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's curly. So I'm just going to go ahead and curl the hair. I'm just going to start at the bottom on each side and then curl it going towards the back. My curling iron was like on 450 degrees. This wig can take up to 420 to 450 degrees when it's curled, so it can definitely take heat, and as you guys can see, it takes a curl pretty nicely. Okay, now that my hair is all cool, my curls are all cool, I'm just going to finger detangle it. I do like how it looked with the curls. It did give it some volume, you know, very versatile. You can definitely switch up your look. Go straight one day, curly one day, and now we're about to move on so I can show you guys the half up, half down. Oh, wait. We can't forget about that. You can definitely still do a flip over. I like the flip over because it's like just effortless. So you could do a part, you could do a flip over, no part. You can do a half up, half down, which is what I'm showing you guys now. I'm just pulling the hair up and with my little ponytail. There you go. Half up, half down. Super duper easy, and that changes the look right there. And then I'm also going to show you guys like a little updo style. So I just left the two little bang pieces out in the front, and then I'm going to twist my hair up and put a claw clip on. And that's also a super cute style when you know you want to have your hair out of your face. And I'm just pulling like a couple extra hair pieces. Super cute. A nice little updo, especially if you want to show off, you know, your dress or something and you don't want your hair all in your way. So yeah, y'all, if you guys like this super versatile wig from Klaiyi Hair, I would definitely have the links and everything down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Don't step on the trip.